Greeting viewers and welcome back to our own YouTube channel. Today I got something really exciting for you guys, that is cruise control of vehicle. This feature has innumerable benefits, provides a great deal of comfort, fuel efficiency, and of course the convenience. Perhaps the best feature for highway rides, long rides, etc. Though the system is not really that complex, it sounds. The ECM engine control module receives the input from throttle position sensor somewhere here located, and of course from the speed sensor it takes one input. Then it takes one input from our switch, selector switch, the cruise control button, and then all these three signals are manipulated, and then ECM generates a complex algorithm to control this guy. This is our cruise control linkaging cable, and underneath of this we have DC 12 volt motor, and this one is 4-wire harness for this, and this motor is controlled by ECM on some specific set point speeds. If we closely see this linkage is rotating in this direction. What exactly happens, it controls the throttle butterfly valve. It is opening and closing. The more it will open, the more wide throttle valve will be, and the more speed or RPM it will receive. So this is all the function. Actually this controls this linkages of this throttle butterfly valve. And there is another cable which is running from our gas pedal that do also the same function, but when it comes on cruise control, this entire function is performed by cruise control via this motor only. Now I would tell you how we can enable our car cruise control system. In order to enable this system, we have this switch. Now what it do for us, when we press this small button inside it, on the tip of this we receive cruise light inside our odometer somewhere here. This cruise has been enabled. Now if I off this button, this goes. Again I turn it on. Now the ECM recognize that I have been enabled, and now what we need secondly, that we need 40 km/h speed. So now I will ride it up to 40 km and we will see how it functions. Now we are on the highway and we acquire 40 km/h speed. Now I would enable this switch to show you it has been engaged. The switch has been engaged and I removed my foot from gas pedal. And it is moving by himself, I mean by cruise control. So once I press the brake pedal, it will vanish. It will lose its control. So this is the only safety. Here we are close to roundabout. Now I press the brakes. Now it has been disabled. So this is the only feature which provides a lot of good things in our drivability. It is actually for highways rather for suburban or city areas.